Hi everyone, I am Sharian Garcia from Best IT 1A Net. For this video, I choose the topic Fundamentals of Counting from Discrete Mathematics. I chose this topic because counting techniques such as permutation and combinations are widely used in information technology and information systems, especially when analyzing possible outcomes, configurations, passwords, and more. So, what are the fundamentals of counting? The fundamentals of counting involve mathematical techniques that help us determine how many possible outcomes or arrangements exist in a given situation. The two most common methods are permutation and combination. Permutation, arrangement where orders matters. Combination, selection where orders does not matter. How it applies to IT and IS. A. Password strength and cybersecurity. When creating passwords, counting techniques help determine how many possible passwords exist. B. Networking. IP address counting. In networking, account accounting helps determine the number of available IP addresses in a subnet. C. Database system testing. When testing a system, QA testers calculate how many different input combinations a form can accept. D. User interface and features customization. In software development, counting is used to determine how many combinations of settings a user can choose. Example, a photo editing app with 4 filter options, 3 brightness levels, 2 contrast levels. The total combinations equals 4 times 3 times 2 equals 24. Possible settings helping developers plan memory allocation and performance. E. AI and machine learning. In models, counting techniques help determine the number of possible features combinations during data preprocessing. This is crucial when selecting which features create the best model. This is the reflection. Through this activity, I learned that mathematics, especially counting techniques, is deeply connected to information technology. Whether it's calculating and understanding the fundamentals of counting is important because it strengthens our problem-solving skills and help us design more secure, organized, and optimized IT system. Thank you for listening.